Hey there, future GRE conquerors! Today, let's dive into a word that'll not only boost your vocabulary but also make you sound super smart during the test. The word of the day is abscission. Yeah, it sounds fancy, but trust me, it's worth knowing. So, what does abscission mean? Abscission is a noun that refers to the natural process of shedding or cutting away, especially in plants. Imagine a tree shedding its leaves in the fall. That's abscission in action. It comes from the Latin word abscindere, which means to cut off. Now, why is this word important for the GRE? The GRE isn't just about testing your knowledge, it's about testing your ability to understand, analyze, and use complex language. Words like abscission can pop up in reading passages or even in the verbal reasoning section. Knowing these high-level words can help you decipher tricky sentences and improve your overall score. Alright, let's talk usage. How do you incorporate abscission into a sentence? Here's an example. The botanist studied the abscission of leaves to understand the seasonal changes in the tree's life cycle. Notice how it fits perfectly into a scientific context. But you're not limited to just science, you can get creative. How about this? The company's abscission from outdated technologies allowed it to innovate and grow. See, it's versatile. Now you might wonder, how do I remember this word? Well, here's a tip. Think of the word scissors hidden in abscission. Scissors cut things off, just like abscission involves cutting off or shedding. Easy, right? Building a robust vocabulary is crucial for the GRE, and it's not just about memorizing definitions, it's about truly understanding the words, their origins, and their contexts. This depth of knowledge helps you tackle reading passages with confidence and precision. So, next time you're studying, don't just skim through the word lists. Take a moment to delve into each word, understand its roots, and practice using it in sentences. This approach will pay off on test day, I promise. Alright folks, that's it for today. Keep learning, keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be a GRE vocabulary master. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more GRE tips and tricks. You've got this. Catch you in the next video. Peace.